Welcome back to the Bitcoin Truth. Yesterday we talked about how if we took this Fibonacci retracement tool and placed it at each one of these corrections, after every one of these bull runs, especially if we go to the weekly chart, there was a correction of about 50 to 60% of that current bull run. So just to quickly illustrate that again, let me go to the auto here. So if you look at the weekly chart, you'll have a bull run, then a correction, a bull run, then a correction, bull run, then a correction. Each one of these corrections corrected about 50 to 60% back of that bull run. So the one that we're in now, let me go back to, let's just zoom out here a little bit. So you can see here we last night we had a really hard night on Bitcoin. Actually, all of cryptocurrency kind of crashed last night, but this went all the way down to just past the 0.618 Fibonacci line. So just past 62% of this current run that we had here. So I'm hoping that the bottom is in for now. And also, if you draw a curve from all the previous or the past three previous corrections, and you follow that curve up, it touches exactly right where our dip went to last night. So again, that might also support the fact that the bottom is in for now. So we'll see what happens. There's a lot of craziness happening in the crypto economy. So if we look at coinmarketcap.com, we can see everything is red. Bitcoin's down in 4 hours percent drop. So Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down almost 20%. Bitcoin Cash is down almost 18.2%. Everything. Let's see if there's any survivors here. It looks like everything is just crashing, right? So I'm not exactly sure why everything is crashing at the same time, but this all really started when Coinbase added Bitcoin Cash to their exchange, and then they did some weird stuff where they wouldn't allow people to trade it right away, or they weren't, they were definitely manipulating the markets between Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, and that's still happening right now. They're still, they're halting trading. All sorts of weird stuff is going on. There's some articles out there and people talking about the fact that there might be issues with the way they store their Bitcoin, where Coinbase and GDAX might be insolvent at some point. Check out the World Crypto Network to get the latest news on that. They're definitely on the tip of the spear as far as that information goes. I'll put a link in the description to their channel. Just wanted to give the quick update. Hopefully the bottom is in for now for Bitcoin, and we'll see some upward movement here soon, but you never know what's going to happen. Just stay tuned. Keep your eyes on the charts, and one point I wanted to try to make was that if you're just a trader looking to make a quick buck off of Bitcoin, you're probably going to get freaked out, and you're probably going to sell during this crash while the price is low. And what you're going to end up doing is giving away your Bitcoin to somebody else at a cheap price. If you believe in the technology and the importance it has for civilization as a role of money and the way money works and how it's going to change how that works, then you'll hold. You'll just stick this out for the long term, and the ride's going to be bumpy. This is what a free market looks like. I'm a libertarian. I believe in the free market. I'm a staunch capitalist. There's no regulations in Bitcoin. There's no police to stop people from trying to mess with Bitcoin. It defends itself. The community defends Bitcoin. It has survived attacks for the last 9 years. This is just another attack. Bitcoin Cash or Bcash is another attack on Bitcoin. We'll make it through it, and we'll be stronger on the other end for it. So let's see what happens. Hold on to your Bitcoins. Don't sell. And let's ride this wave. Thanks.